Hey guys, so I'm actually back again. I completely forgot to actually show you how to get the moving average. So the way that I was able to calculate this, this may be kind of fast, but the way that I did this is that if you go up to where your total units purchased, so if you look at the total units purchased, right? So you want to do is you kind of want to add all these guys up. So you do, what I would do is I would just press enter sum, and I would just calculate these guys up, press enter, so it'll give me actually 16. And then what you want to do too is you want to add up your total units sold. So you just sum those up. Oh, hold up, let's put a bracket there. Yeah, so you just want to sum these guys, and then you kind of want to sum these guys up. And then what that will do is that'll give you the total of units cost. Sorry, no, the total units purchased. Sorry, completely wrong. And then that'll also give you the total units sold. So you want to do here is that the moving average means that every single time that I guess units are going in, units are going out, right? There's always going to be a cost difference, which we kind of figure it out by doing the averages, right? So what we did here is that we calculated for the total average, which was at the end, which was 79.71. And that was the last average that we got right here. So what we want to actually do with that number is that you want to times that by the remaining units that are there. So what we do is that we take the 16 and the 12, and we take 16, take away from 12. That'll give us 4. And yet again, this is the units purchased, and this is the units sold. And then you take away this, and that means that you have 4 units in total, right? So what you want to do is that you want to take this number, which is the average, and you want to times this actually by 4. So, oh, sorry. So I'm going to copy that number. I'm going to put it right here, and it's not working. Anyways, I'll type it in. 0.71, and then what you want to do, let's do the equal sign, is that you actually want to times that by 4, which will give you 318.84, which is the moving average. So what it's saying here is this is the moving average as it currently is right at the moment. And as you can see, it's gradually increasing, right? But that is the average right at the moment. And that would be how you would how you would get the moving average right there. So yet again, it's the units purchased, it's the units sold. You both take away those, which would give you 4, which is the total units that are remaining out of the segment, right? And then you take the 4 times by the 79.71, which would give you the moving average and where it is at currently. So that's how I sort of calculated it up. I mean, if you go to the solution again, they have a more way of doing it. The only difference between here is that you can see that they calculated for the purchases, and they also calculate for what's sold. So what's happening is that they're actually taking away this number from this, and then that'll equal up to the balance of 142, right? And then they keep on doing that. They take the 200, they basically take the 3 times by the 76. So these are the ones that you're purchasing. And then the ones that you're selling, which is 3 times by 74, right? So then you actually take away these, right? And then what happens is that they're taking away these, and then there we go. Yeah. So I'll be honest with you. I'm not completely sure, but they actually rounded this up to 319. Actually, hold up. I'm gonna see if I can really understand this at this moment. And anyways, that's stop.